You must be wondering, okay, why I am not getting selected, why I am not getting interview call. My resume is good, I got the skills, I have the knowledge, then still why my resume is not getting selected and why I am not getting call for the interview. The reason is very simple, guys. We think that our resume is best, okay, but somewhere there is a mismatch, of skills, there is a mismatch of qualities which a company is looking, okay, for this particular role and to your resume. Okay, what best we can do to take this out, what best we can do to get our resume selected for this, for any job, is very simple, guys. Okay, what mistake which we do, first mistake which we do, we make a master resume. Okay, before that master resume, the first mistake is we don't have the format, we don't have the good format. Okay, the format is very simple, which you have taken. Okay, you have taken and you have written everything you got on your resume. Okay, and resume checker gets confused, they get bored while they are checking your resume. Okay, so always make a crisp resume, okay, with a good format. Second thing, do not send them your master resume. What is master resume? This may be the new word for you guys. What is master resume? In master resume, we write each and everything, which we write every skill, we write everything which we got. Okay, academic qualification, academic achievement, okay, personal achievement, skills, qualification, each and everything which we write in the master resume. But there is a second resume which is a real resume. What is the real resume? Okay, suppose Deloitte is hiring right now. Okay, they have sent you, okay, this is the job description and for this we are hiring. So you will take your master resume and customize it according to the job description. You will put all the keywords which they are looking for. You will customize your every written thing on your resume according to the job description. You will not fake it. You will give them the current information, but you will give them in a customized manner according to the job description, so that when robotic checks your resume, they catch that skills, they catch that words, and they will select your resume for the interview call. Okay, that we can do. Okay, if you are still confused, do not hesitate to reach out to me in the comment section. Reach out to me, I will personally check your resume, okay, and I will guide you what changes you can do for the role. Okay, thanks so much, guys. Always keep liking, keep subscribing, so that you can get really good updates on this channel. Thanks so much, guys. Take care.